Little girl, what are you doing? You gonna get in there? I'm gonna put a lid on your head. Stuff you full of spaghetti or something like that. Spaghetti? Sketty? I used to say spagla? I don't remember what I used to say. I sure didn't say spaghetti. Huh? What are you doing? Ooh, looks like it's gonna be painful. You better quit. Don't get owie. Olive, what are you doing? Watch your fingers. Yeah, doy. Watch your fingers. Oh, here. Got it? Ooh, that looks... Woo! I told you, gotta watch your fingers. I know, you gotta watch your fingers. What are you doing now? Huh? You doing too much is what you're doing. Think you better settle down. Huh? What you doing, Olive? Shooby-doo? Shooby-doo-doo? Baby. Olive, sing. Sing, baby. Baby. Sing, Olive. Sing, baby. Little girl. Nanny's baby. Sing. Baby. She's just too busy for me. Abu. Olive. Little girl. Can nothing break her concentration. I hope there's no food underneath there. Maybe it's just a screw. Meh.